I didn't mean literally. Up. All right, eyes front. Let's have a look at you. Barnacles, when I said eyes front, I'd hoped that your body would naturally be facing in a similar direction.
Sorry, Wing Commander.
Pinkfoot, you've trodden in something. How many times have I told you to mind your own business? See to it. Snowy? Oh, never mind. All right, men, at ease. We have received orders to embark on a very delicate, not to mention dangerous mission.
What is it?
Our task is one of reconnaissance and reunification.
Oh, here we go. Translation, Dot. The duckling's lost his mom, bless him, and we're going to find her.
If that's what he means, why did he just say it? You can always tell Pompous Goose by its pigeon English.
All right, men, attention. We are about to take part in an exercise the likes of which we have never faced before. You are a fine body of geese, and I know you will give of your very best. Good luck, men. We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will show no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although my goggles is gathering goggles is sure to find your home.
Runways clear. Prepare for takeoff, dear. We must play our part.